Hello everyone, we are live with live trading today on Alberterium channel. Hello and welcome everybody. Feel free to write something in the chat window. It's Wednesday 11th and yes, live trading is around. As always, oops, I just closed my browser. I wanted to show. As always, we have here live trading sessions every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Today is Wednesday, the 11th. And yes, we had news as expected. Core CPI lower as expected, forecasted 2.5, previously 2.3, and now coming in 2.4. This sent the indices to the upside. Actually, I don't know why they forecasted 2.5. Why? Why did they forecast at 2.5? Because my forecast would be like, well, 2.3 again. Maybe a little bit higher because of some increase of oil and this kind of stuff. But actually, well, everything is okay. 2.4 heading to the zero line, heading to 2.0 here in the US for the inflation. This is good news for the markets, and well, the reaction is there. Actually, if you can see the drift the last days, what happened the last days, take a look at this value areas, take a look at this volume point of controls. It's drifting higher. Okay, market, I would say, taking into account this positive reaction with the news. So, very good news. That's the reason why we trade long today. Pink Piggy, Daniel, Christoph, welcome everybody for today's live stream. Have you done any trading today before the news? I have my iced coffee is ready. And after my first kind of scoops, we go. Finished with my meditation today as well, right before live trading. And yeah. So where do we have the levels? What kind of levels do we have? Market went to the upside out of this big value area, inside, then yesterday closing wanted to break out to the upside. The point of control was at this value area high, but the migration is still to the upside. So we still have the levels from yesterday's session. Let's have some new. This is definitely the low point. If it goes below this 21,864, which was this value area high around yesterday's point of control, then we're definitely moving lower. But for now, we have this volume node as support from yesterday. And today, I would say that's it. Everything is moving higher. The overall move, the overall goal for this move is 22,427, all-time high in the NASDAQ. This is the goal for this all-time high, for this move. So if you are trading on a swing, you might take some profits here. There will be an overshooting move with some liquidity, maybe to 22,500. Might be easy to overshoot this 60 points, 70 points. Yeah. So what happened? We get some color on the 15-minute chart. It's good. They are coming. Big market participants are coming and continuing to the upside. So we are prepared for long trades. Look at this news candle. Where's the volume indicator? So there we go. Put everything on the screen. Yes, they are coming. There they are on the 1 minute chart. We have a little consolidation. No, they came already today in the morning. 1 hour earlier. They already injected a lot of liquidity. Look at this. Look at this candle. Oh my gosh. Okay, sellers got trapped here. Yeah. These are the trapped sellers. You see them? Yeah. Trapped sellers at this move. Okay, so I like to trade long. I like to trade long. Market is not It's not in a hurry to move higher. Let's take a quick look at the 50-minute chart on the S&Ps. If everything looks here similar. Yes. So we need some follow through now, right? If they don't follow, if they don't continue to buy this move after the open, we can also get a harsh rejection. Go back into the range, get all the buyers out, kick them out, get more liquidity. That's what they do in this move. They gather liquidity and then they continue. Okay. Might be also possible for this move. There's my volume profile. Okay. Yeah. You're waiting. No trades yet. Was waiting for the news. Yes, I have an open swing. Perfect. So, how do we get some more viewers here on this live channel? Okay, we need some more interaction. Interaction from you guys, or this would be really nice if you can share this link in some communities, okay? Go to some Discord communities, go to some Facebook communities and share the link that we have live trading session here. That would be really great. Would help us out to get some more views. Yes, this would be really great. Okay, this is how you can help us. You're participating here every day? Nice. You want to continue? You want us to continue live trading? Yes, nice. We do it. But we need some more followers. We need some more viewers. We need some more participation from all of you. Okay? This is something what you can do for us. It's totally free. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to spend money. But you will gain a lot of insights from this live stream. And of course, sophisticated professional volume analysis with the big market participants. So this is something we love to see. Okay, if you have, do you have some other Facebook groups or Discord channels or whatever you are in, you're following, you're watching, feel free to share the link. Okay. And if they kick you out, okay. No, I don't think so. I don't hope that they kick you out. Okay, you don't get paid for it. It's just information and education, what we're doing here. So we are inside this news candle, trying to well, I would say consolidate, trying to push to the downside to get this. We have this high here. Yeah, look at this. Look at this high. This might be a support. Early market high, really at night. This might be some support. Same for this 21991. This candle here. This might be some support for this consolidation. And until now, I'm flat. You know, if you want to follow my trades, you need to listen to what I'm saying. And we're not yet ready to share the screen with all the live trades, with all the entries, with all the exits. Of course, we will do it. Okay, no worries. Just give us one more month, and we are ready. I would say it's all about mindset. It's all about mental health. It's all about mental strength to first of all to be successful in trading, and then to do it live with talking, with everything, with YouTube. Oh my God. That's why I do meditation every day. I love it. Okay. Need to let go. I have an urgent patent application. This is why I'm not here that often this week. It's all right, Volker. It's all right. It's all right. I hope the patents will pay good. I know about patents. There are also, I don't know, 4 or 5 patents on my name. Okay, we had an initial reaction to the downside. Let's see what the market will give us. Okay, now the question is if they continue in short direction, kick all the long traders out, or if they get back. Let's see where they're going. As I mentioned, I entry. Okay. I can enter like several contracts and one entry is there. I entered one contract at, what is this? 2217. 2217 is one entry, but I can scale in up to 5-7 contracts. So we'll see if it goes immediately straight away to the upside, or if they come again, try to push this market to the downside, because we see the selling here. We see the selling on the volume. So it's not 100% clear if it immediately goes to the upside. If they continue, either I will liquidate, I will go out. Okay, it's maybe a little bit early to trade long. Yes, you're right. It's a little bit early to trade long. Okay, we need to wait, be patient. Either exit now or have a huge stop. A huge stop. Okay. Because they can rotate to these lower candles where we got the sellers trapped. We have some colorful candle now. This is good. And when the color goes, then it's time to size in. Okay. You see this on the 1 minute chart here? Sellers are coming. So we are at VWAP now. And I think it's time to put in another limit order, a limit buy, to increase the position. As I mentioned, my stop is huge. Come on, it's not gonna go there. I wanted to increase right at the VWAP. There we come. Okay. Not yet filled yet. Yes, now we are filled with the second position. We need to see if they continue. Or if we get squeezed. Sorry, this might be possible. Kind of a heavy selling here at this level. At VWAP. Oh, if they maintain this level and they don't come back again, then this will continue to the upside. So a bearish opening. Bearish opening. We'll see if they follow, if they get some follow through. Still think this is a long move. Just this correction here might be a good buying opportunity. Okay, need to wait a bit. It's still heavy selling. You see the selling, see the color. So it's not the time to scale in aggressively. Sellers are gathering, and still the direction is not yet decided. I think it looks like absorption here, and it continues to the long direction. We'll see. Now we got new lows. Heavy selling here on this candle, red. Do they continue or do they get squeezed and we see the long move? This is the question what we need to, what they will answer now. So if they continue in short direction, I will scale out, checking the chart. No, yes, not yet. Going in our direction, and if they go to the upside, I want to scale in. My average entry is at 992. So right there, still a little bit in minus, open book losses. Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at this. Now we need some follow through and then we can scale in. Maybe they need some more time. Below this value, below this low volume node, you see the low volume node here, 22,000. I think they might still gather some more liquidity and fill this gap. Yeah, waiting for the move to the upside. Where is it? It's a slow grind. There we go. Again, new session, new highs for this move, new highs for this candle, colorful candles, first green candles appearing now. And I want to scale in the corrections. So there's the correction. Yeah, there is the correction. Okay, scale in a bit. Okay, now we need to see some continuation. Continuation in long direction. And the next level is 22.25. 22.25. This is the point of control of today's session. Point of control, 22.25. There I might scale out limit cell 1. I will scale out 1. And the rest we keep until the session highs. I hope they will go and they move this market and not like diddle around and get stuck. This is always the question. They can get stuck in here quite a bit. But this 22.25 here, this level, yes, point of control of today is a good first target. Yeah, maybe they need some more time. Do we have anything else on the calendar? In 50 minutes we have crude oil inventories. Looks like, is this the only news? CPI is the only big news for today. Do we have any minor news? No, nothing. Nice. So nothing within the next hours. I would say they try to accumulate more longs. Kick the shorts out. No, kick the longs out. That's what they do here. So Volker, yes, I was working at Hanan Systems. I checked this the chat now. Yes, previously. Pooh, what a diddle. Again. Come on, guys. Of course, we can also get some new lows, right? Like this. Whoop. And then they are ready. Because we had here some kind of heavy selling, and this would be the time to get them out, to gather some more liquidity, because a lot of stops are below this candle. And we need to see the reaction again at this time. We wait patiently. Who of you is long? And what is your entry price? Average entry. My average entry is at 990. Right there where we are, break even now. 984 long, perfect, Daniel. And they need to go now, they got stuck. Long at 986, perfect. We need to go. At this VWAP. $987, everybody's long at this 980s. Yeah, that's, I think a lot of people are. So we might get this diddle up and down. We see this diddle up and down. It looks like we see this diddle up and down continuing for maybe 20 minutes, half an hour, an hour. First 15-minute candle is still open. We close it in 1 minute. 1 minute, the first 15-minute candle is there. And then we see 50-minute candle is relevant for also big market participants. They get the liquidity in the first 50 minutes. Okay, they try to get more liquidity at the lower end. The 960 level is relevant, how we see how the reaction is there. And of course the continuation. If they continue 960 to the downside, I will scale out, realize some loss. We will see. Need to check. This is now very interesting. I think they get the 960, take it out. There. Yes, we are right there. Okay, now it's very important if they continue to the downside or if they just took the liquidity out. See this moves here. Oh, looks like continuation. So sell one. And yes, sell another one. Sellers are coming again. We need to get out. Yes. Okay. This was not part of the game. I continue. Get more liquidity at the downside, and we need to see if this reaction to the upside. We need to wait a bit more. So now we have the same game again. Same game starts. So this candle low, this 888 can be the target for this move, and this low well. Let's see if they go continue. Okay, we have now low with less aggressive selling volume. But still they are there, the aggressive sellers. Point of control, they moved the point of control to this level of 928. Sorry, 928, point of control again. And it looks like they just took it. Will this be the V-shaped recovery now? So we are at this level, relevant level 957, and it looks like they continue to the upside. They take this 57, and then yes, there was the reaction, initial reaction to the upside. So we can get back in, go back in, and continue in long direction. So this move will go to this previous highs, 995, to the other side of this range, and potentially also higher. I'm back in for contracts now. With my average entry 961. I will scale out one at 20,000. This is low volume node, because there it will be decided 20,000, yes, 20,000. There they will decide if they continue in long direction, because they have this low volume node right there. And if they break this 22,000, they go to 2025. So 2225. So this up previous point of control. Look how they moved the point of control. They moved it from there to there, these three levels. Moved it here, moved it back there, and now they move back up. So it's not, today's trading session is not that easy. Not that easy. We have the first time positive volume now. It's good. We need to continue. Come on, guys. You took all the long traders out with this final move. with this final move, you took them all out. And everybody is ready to continue now. 2200 is right there. Where I scale out one long trade, one long contract from 4, and the rest I keep for 25. Where's the 25? We need to put some line in the sand there. Let's do this green and the next one as well. Oh, they are fighting with this 22,000. And then there. Come on, guys. No, not there. What happened? The point of control is a magnet. You see this? This is the magnet. Point of control is right above VWAP. This choppy area here. Choppy area, chop, chop. So who else is in the chat window? In the live stream, we have seven people joining. Current viewers, 7. So who else is there? Please write them something in the chat window. How did you find us? We do live trading here every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday on Albertarium channel with volume analysis. You see the colorful candles at the lower end. Also volume profile. Everything here with TradingView, possible with TradingView. Of course, it is also possible with other trading software like Sierra charts. All this extensive volume analysis is even more visible in Sierra charts. Happy to share my Sierra charts screen soon. But TradingView is enough. You don't need to have Sierra charts. For now it's enough. And Albertarium is also developing their own trading software. Okay, their own trading software where they put in the data quality of Sierra charts with the user friendliness of TradingView. This is what they are working on, and it will be awesome because we have scanners, we have volume analysis, we have everything there. So if you become a lifetime member on Albertarium, well, I know this is quite an investment for some people because it's around $2,700. But you don't have to pay anything for anything else. You can enjoy all the future developments, and the market is gathering more. It's hanging in at volume point of control, filling in some this upper side, continuing in this diddle, let's say it like this, and the point of control. Didn't reach my target of 22,000, my first target yet. Caius1 is one of the users. Thank you for your feedback. The indicators are so helpful since I use them a better view and performance. Yes, serial charts is not really friendly. Of course, it's not. Serial charts is so user unfriendly, but that's why Alberterium is developing this holy grail, because the data quality of serial charts is awesome. It's super amazing. Data quality is, you cannot beat, and stability. Like, it's super fast. Serial charts, super fast, super stable, awesome data quality, but user friendliness is like horrible. Closed out, perfect, and re-entry at 960. Yes, this might be a good re-entry. It's 960 level. I come and get it again. It is a slow market after the open. I thought it's going to be a little bit more impulsive to the upside, but buyers need some more liquidity. That's what they do here. Yeah, trading is a bit boring, isn't it? Especially if you sit and wait for the price to go in your direction. And it's hanging in at the volume point of control, slightly above, but so it can do anything here. At this level, we did trade it on Monday at this level again, also entered a little bit lower and waited a long time, closed out in profits at the end of the trading session. But then, like half an hour or 15-20 minutes after we end the live stream, the market took off and filled all the targets. Yeah, well, that's trading. Sometimes you are lucky and you have the move in your trading session, or sometimes you wait for hours for the move and it comes later afterwards. So we wait. Still back again at the 22,000. And now, come on, you can do it. Fill my first limit sell with one contract. Then there is 3 more in. It's right there. Come on, you can take it. It's right there. Oh, didn't fill me. What happened? Well, didn't fill me. And they will come back again. Will come back. Buyers will come back. No worries. So, who is in the chat window? Kaios1 is writing, one of the learnings to handle this boringness and don't get in overtrading. Yes, don't get in overtrading, respecting that the move is not there when you're there. Sometimes not easy. Totally. I closed on break even, ended up with profit on the end. Thank you. Perfect, Daniel. Perfect that you ended up with a profit. Leave it like this, because go day by day, step by step. Like small profits are small profits. You cannot have like a home run every day. Kaios1 also close out break even. I'm still waiting for this move to continue. I'm pretty sure they will continue somewhere. Question is if it will be within this period. of our trading session. And they go back to VWAP again. Back to point of control. Gathering some more contracts. You see this at this volume, how this low volume node here, this 22,000 is really a resistance level. Really. If they break the 22,000, then they jump immediately to 25, so this to the next level, and of course potentially also to the other side. Look how this, oh, it's amazing. I love it. Look how like steep this volume profile is getting. Wow. Maybe this is one reason why I move my limit order to the upside. They didn't fill me here just by a couple of ticks. So I move my limit order from 22,000 up to 22,000, let's say 17. Because if they take this level, then they go immediately to this previous point of control and move the point of control to this level. I'm very sure. And now they come again. Oh. So the final move will be 60, 68, 68, 68, 65. It's a real diddle here. Working on the move, working on the breakout. They are working really hard. Look how they work. Question is, the longer they work, of course, if they don't do it now, yeah, we took it out, 22,000 was right there. The longer it takes, of course, the higher possibility we have for another pullback to VWAP. Always at this level, we get some sellers coming and pushing the price back down. Yes, pushing the price back down. Yeah. accumulation. What happens to the S&Ps? Same story. Also bounce back at this volume node. Dow Jones. Yeah, looks a little bit more bullish, the Dow Jones. Also working on this move. Everybody is working on this move. Okay, here we go again. I don't know, 1, 2, 3, fourth time. Try. And, oh, we made it. Yes, it's 22.03, and now we continue to the upside. They need to do it now. If not, if they fall back to the range, I will close out one. Come on, guys. You can continue. Now you made it. Huh? Don't need to go back to the range. If they fall back to the range, then of course it's nice to sell here and get some more in at the lower end. They don't continue. It's waiting time here. 22,000. Oh yes. Another try. Yes. Come on. They're trying so hard. Trying really hard. Yep. Continuation is right there. Took out this 1 minute candle, previous 1 minute candle high again. And now, where is the continuation? Or you want to stay here and fill up this low volume node? Come on, no, you don't have to do it. You can just continue. You can just continue to the upside. No, they don't have, they're not in a rush. Looks like they're not in a rush. Nobody's in a rush today. It's a drift. It's a small drift. We just wait. It's a small drift. Caius 1. Philip, how did you learn to be patient? Was there a significant event or a decisive trade? Oh, I learned to be patient every day with doing meditation. Okay, there was no significant event. It was like the time being in the market, the time on screen or off screen, where I realized after going through all my trading journals and so on, realized, okay, we need to be patient. And to be patient, how can you do it? You do meditation. And it works. Do meditation every day. Okay, I do breathing sessions, breath work according to Wim Hof with meditation music. And it's super awesome. It's super nice. I love it. And this is how I listen to the music right now. You see this on my ears. That's how I become or stay patient. And it's not there. It's there. The move is going, but it's slowly drifting. So today we want to finish in profit, right? This is what we want to achieve. Again, like Monday, even though if it was a small profit, if I would close here, it is profit. Small, but good. Well, we wait. With 4 contracts in long direction, we wait. We wait for the target. I move the target now. It's pretty clear and obvious that they go to 24. There I will close out 2. Okay, I will close out 2 right there at this green line. 24, 23 and 24. This is point of control, previous point of control. And then we will see if they get a pullback. Let me check what is the overall profit if I close out there everything. Oops. Well, no, we don't do this. Trading session is nearly done, isn't it? Is it done? 5:15 on my end. Buyers are working hard. And they're filling up this low volume gap, low volume node. So a pullback to 22,000 is possible, no worries. Would be another opportunity to scale in and profit. But yeah, it's slow market today. After CPI, I expected a little bit more violence to the upside and not this kind of drift. It's a drift. So actually you can stay in with this long trade as long as we see colorful candles on the 1 minute chart. Okay, when we see colorful candles on the 1 minute chart, actually then it's time to think about taking profits. You don't have to go out early. Why to go out early? Well, one reason might be because you don't have the time to sit and wait. Because when we see the colorful candles on the 1 minute chart, then it's time for either the continuation and they come and push and push and push and push to new session highs. This might be also possible. But then it's time to think about it. Actually, if you get out earlier, you lose something. And all these kind of things, okay, will be possible to program with the new Albertarium software. Okay, Albertarium trading software. Not only an indicator, not only volume indicator, not only order block indicator, but the whole trading software will have like advanced features for risk and money management, for position management, for taking profits. So you can program these kind of things, like stay in this long position until, for example, we see a colorful candle on the 1 minute chart or whatever. Okay, this will be possible. We can get alerts for the indicators. Yes, of course we can get alerts, but all this will only be possible with Alberterium software. Okay, they will not program this for TradingView because it's a hassle to work with TradingView for them, because it's very difficult to integrate all these things, and that's why Alberterium is working on their own trading platform. We will have access to the platform with lifetime membership. Yes, you will have unlimited access to this trading platform with lifetime membership. No subscription anymore. You will have access to all the scanners, all the features which will be developed. Okay, with lifetime membership, you give Alberterium, I would say, an upfront investment. Okay, and this is why we will reward you with a lifetime access to all the features we will develop. Okay, and there they took out my first target. Our first position is closed. Come on, can just continue to the upside. I want to close out a second one, which did not get filled because it was a couple of points higher. So, but let's talk about it. It's a drift. Okay, you know this drift. So, you know the website. And here on pricing and plans, okay, you have now an annual premium experience, potentially. And with the ultimate lifetime experience, which is $2,800, you get 10% off with the code. You know it, I think. It's in the video description here, under the video description. And of course, if you ask kindly, we can also give you, we can add the refund for when actually you paid your annual subscription. Of course, we can, how much months and so on, we can deduct this from this lifetime experience. Okay, this is possible, and with this lifetime experience, you will have unlimited access to everything what is coming. Everything what is coming, for sure. Also API. If you are a developer and you want to have API Python library, like this API, unlimited access. Okay, empower our innovation, new era, artificial intelligence in the game. This is everything what you get here, and of course, we only do this for 4,444 seats. So it's nothing what we are selling like it's like unlimited. It's like exclusively for the people who know us first, because it will be a huge experience with volume analysis with Alberterium here. Okay, nobody else than these 4,400 people will get it. So the NASDAQ is still working here on this. And actually, I'm about to finish the trading session. Okay, what I mean with about to finish the trading session, I want to close and realize my profits. So, and then end today's trading session. It's point of control here, a previous point of control from early market session, and I will close everything here, right there. Come on. Yes, closed all my positions and well in profit today. That's nice. So let's end today's trading session. It was nice talking to you. We had over 1 hour live trading session. We ended up in profit, even though it was very difficult with this final move, taking out all the long traders. You see it here in, but they did a V-shaped recovery. So yeah, move is continuing now to the upside. And of course, you can stay in with until we see the colorful candles here. If you continue to trade, you can stay in until the colorful color comes. They might continue. They might be choppy here. You know how the market goes. It's the diddle today. It's not super explosive, this move. And I thank you for your participation. Share the link, please, in any kind of Facebook groups, any kind of Discord communities and so on. Would be really great to have some more participants here. And of course, I welcome you to tomorrow again. Tomorrow again, live trading, same time, same on Friday. Saying thank you for today's session and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.